right back. I gotta check a smell I'm smelling. Oh, can't find the smell. Thought I was smelling something electrical. Right? I only smell it when I'm sitting right here. So I forgot how much time I did on the weights. I think I did about 10 minutes maybe. I'll have to go back and look at the clock there from when I started it and take out a little time. I went looking for a weird smell around the house that was just in here only. I did about 25 minutes. I forgot to look exactly when I started. It was I'm close to 25, maybe 26 minutes. I'm not sure, but I did 170 calories on the Gazelle, and so I'm in the last 14 days. The last 10, not last 10, sorry, the last 4, I felt a strength increase or an endurance increase to be able to go longer and a little bit faster and get more reps done on the Gazelle and do more reps on the with the weights and stuff. So anyways, this is this is day 15. So actually, I guess today's day 15. So it's been the last 5 days I felt an increase. So, all right, folks. Just want to remind you as well to, seriously, if you can, get a 5-gallon bucket, get a big laundry tub, get something that you can plant in indoors. Get some grow lights either from Walmart or online at Amazon. And start growing some food indoors. Because it gives you a chance to experiment, learn what does and doesn't work for the wintertime. And it also gives you an opportunity to start your garden plants earlier and get them into bigger pots so they're doing better when you have, and the time is to move them outside. They'll have a big jump on everything and you'll get more produce from them. All right, so stay happy, stay safe, stay prepared, and really get prepped up for this winter.